the second day in a row where it's been raining non-stop, and the whole reason we came to the Gold Coast is because we were promised sun. How many days is it sunny on the Gold Coast? 300 days. It's supposed to be sunny here 300 out of the 365 days a year. So basically, it's going to be a wetter year than normal. It's funny, I actually got a text from a friend earlier, and he mentioned that he needs to get out of London quickly and he needs to go on holiday quickly because he's just feeling the symptoms of seasonal depression. And I responded with, yeah, I remember that. I don't have that anymore, thankfully. Which I didn't mean to throw shade at all. He's one of my best friends, so he obviously knew that there was no shade involved. But it's just such a strange concept because I used to have essentially dips in my mood every year around autumn, winter time. I would just go into a slumber, hibernate essentially for months. It's just pretty much crazy to think how things change and how things become your new normal so quickly. I think that's why the weather has been affecting myself and Ferdy recently, is because we've had years of feeling that way, and now so when we have 2 or 3 days where it's raining, we start feeling that way again. Hey! He's been really bad with scratching here. All instead of here, which is supposed to be where he's scratching. I mean, obviously, it's seen better days. Maybe that's what I should do today. I should just get him a new scratching pole. So I don't think they sell the one that we have at home anymore, so we're probably going to have to get a different one this time. It's too small. I think this one might be the winner. That'll do. Okay, now that's done. Let's go set it up. And
Pour on.
Nemo. Oh, there's barely any assembly required. Out with the old, with the new. Look at that, looks quite nice. Now anyone who has a cat knows the fundamentals that whenever you buy them anything nice, they always like the box that it comes in more than the thing that you bought. So now the ultimate test is to see if he'll actually use the scratching pole instead of our couch, our chairs, and all the other things. Really uninterested. He's more interested in the old pole. Maybe if I leave it out here, he will come take a sniff. And success! Yeah. Good job, buddy. Our Nemo thing.
Nice.
You wanna see?
Yeah. No. Is he using it? Or?
Yeah, he's used it twice, 3 times.
Did you put it on the wrong way? That bit's supposed to be on the bottom?
Oh. Yeah, my bad. Didn't even consider that. See, he likes it.
Now we're
Nemo?
scratching the couch.
Yeah. That's more like it, Australia.